How to start an online business even if you're poor. Well, stay tuned because it's coming up here in this video. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So what is this amazing strategy that you can use to build your business online even if you're poor with little to no investment? Well, first of all, if you like these kind of topics, if you want to learn more about building your business online, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So we're going to be talking about this strategy, and it really works really for anybody as long as you're willing to put in the work and the effort. And that is, you're going to be using a tool that you have right now. You might be watching this video using that tool, or it's maybe in your pocket. That's your cell phone. So your cell phone is an amazing tool that, these smartphones, they can do all kinds of things these days. What you can do is you can use it to build an audience of people who are interested in a topic. So you're going to pick a niche. You're going to pick a niche. And so here's how to pick a niche. You want to figure out where these two things intersect. And that intersection is where you pick your niche. So what needs to intersect is it needs to be something that you're passionate about, right? And you got to pick a niche that you're passionate about, that you can create content on, that you can do research on, and that you can keep moving forward in for years to come. That's the first requirement. The next requirement is there's got to be plenty of supply and demand in this niche. So there's got to be plenty of demand, so people who have problems, and there's got to be plenty of supply, products that can help them solve their problems. Easy as that. Once you know you have plenty of supply and demand in a niche where you can keep talking about the topics of this niche for years to come, you've got a winner. Now then, the next step then is to actually go and become a content producer. Most people are content consumers. Like, there's billions of content consumers out there in internet land. They're just watching videos, reading blog posts, going on social media, checking out forums, checking out, ebooks, books on Amazon, things like that. There's plenty of content consumers out there. But the content producers, those are the people who are able to build an audience, gain influence over that audience because the audience trusts them, and then monetize that audience. And there's different ways to monetize the audience. So here's how we do it with little to no investment. It's with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to get started online. It's the easiest way to build a business online. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to do all the market research. You don't have to do all the customer support. You simply pick a product that fills a need for your niche, that's already selling, that's already solving the problems for other people. You just find more people who would benefit from this product and you put it in front of them. That's what affiliate marketing is. You send them to this product with your affiliate link, and anytime somebody purchases with your affiliate link, you earn a commission. So here's the strategy. Take your cell phone, research topics that people are looking for in your niche. How? How do you research these topics? There's really two main ways to research these topics. First is figure out what your competitors are doing and do more of the same thing. So if you go and you look at YouTube channels that are in your niche, what are the videos that they're making? And what are the videos that are taking off and getting lots of views and getting lots of, kind of traction in the YouTube platform? What are those videos? Research those videos. Look at maybe 10 other channels in your niche. Research what are their most popular videos and go and make similar videos, putting your own spin on it, putting it into your own voice, your own way of thinking, your own experiences. The other way to do topic research, content research, to find ideas of what kind of content to produce is using keyword research. Keyword research, you go and you use different keyword research tools, and there's plenty of them out there that will allow you to figure out what are the actual search terms people are using when they're looking for information for help with this topic. So again, you take these ideas that you research from your competitors and you find from keyword research, and you create your own version of that content. You use that content to build an audience, and then you link people over to your affiliate link. Now, if you do want to invest in your business, which I definitely recommend that you do invest in your business, one thing that you can start off with is you can invest in a domain name and a hosting for your own website, so you have your own website. The other thing that you can invest in, and that you should invest in as soon as possible if you don't right from the beginning, is an autoresponder service, email marketing autoresponder service, so you can build an email list and then continue to follow up with those people over and over again to build the relationship by adding further value through email marketing and by making offers of other products and services through email marketing. That way you can not only just build customers, but you can build repeat customers, because now you're able to get in front of the customer multiple times through email marketing. And of course, involved with building an email list, often you're going to want also some kind of software to help you create squeeze pages and sales funnels. So something like Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, Builderall, or Thrive Themes. These are different products that can help you create these types of pages. So these pages that will help you generate leads. That's the other thing you want to invest in. And there's other tools and services and things like that that you can invest in, but these are some of the key ones that you want to start out with. Now, maybe you're sitting there and you're thinking, I've already heard all of that. I've already heard about affiliate marketing. I've already heard about content marketing. I've already heard about, all these different things that you're talking about. What's something I can really do that actually work? Well, this is what you can do. You can actually do this. Like, this isn't like make-believe. People are actually doing this and making money, building businesses, doing this exact strategy. I think that for you, the problem comes from fear. The problem comes from fear as to why you haven't started yet. It's really fear that holds so many people back from achieving the success that they deserve and that they desire. So again, the way to overcome fear is to make the switch from being a content consumer, as I mentioned earlier, and shift into being a content producer. And when you first start, you may not be that good at it. When you first start, it might be difficult. It might be challenging. It might be frustrating. You might feel like you're not getting anywhere. It's going to feel like that for a while. The key is to start, first of all, if you haven't started yet, and then to keep going and do it repeatedly. Create the content over and over again. Pick your platform of choice. So for example, if you're going to do YouTube, do YouTube. Pick YouTube and stick with YouTube for a long time. Keep creating videos on YouTube over and over again. Start out with a 90-day challenge if you need to, like I'm doing right here, right now on this channel. And then don't stop when it's 90 days is over. After the 90 days, keep going, because 90 days is enough to build a foundation for you. Keep going after the 90 days, and pretty soon you're going to start to figure things out. You're going to start learning some skills and building some skills and getting experience, and then things are going to start to take off for you. How long is that going to take? I don't know. It could take 3 months. It could take 6 months. It could take a year. It could take longer than that. But the question you got to ask yourself is, you don't be afraid of how long it's going to take to achieve success, because the time is going to pass anyway. So why not take that time and build those skills, build those habits, put in the work, and then instead of just letting the time pass, then you have that chance of really achieving that level of success that you desire. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel if this has been valuable to you, and we'll see you in the next one.